today I am going to take you through the process of connecting your K9 wireless microphone to your phone. What's up, beautiful people? You are welcome back again to my channel. So, the other day I unboxed my K9 wireless microphone and I taught you people how to connect it, and then I showed all the context and all the doors and everything. But then I realized that it was not working. It was not working, and I didn't know what was wrong until I researched, and I realized that it doesn't work for everybody, and that includes me. Like the method I taught doesn't work for everybody. So I had to research, and I found out that some of us we need to download an app that will help us connect the microphones to our phones to make it work very well. Microphones are good. You can notice the difference right now as I'm talking. If you've been watching my videos, you will know that there is a difference between now and before. There is noise cancellation right now. Like you can hear any other thing apart from my voice. And that's why it's good to get this microphone, this affordable microphone. I think it's the cheapest so far because there are different types of microphones and this is the cheapest so far. But like I said before, if you are a content creator, if you're an interviewer, if you're a vlogger, if you're a YouTuber, if you're do anything like this, you need a microphone. You need to get yourself one. This one is affordable and it is good. Before I bought it, I've seen it many places, I've seen it different times, and that was why I decided to get it for my YouTubing and my content creation. So in case you haven't gotten yours, you need to get yours right now. If you haven't subscribed, please do so right now. Subscribe, like, share, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification button so you always get notified whenever I make a video. So today I am going to take you through the process of connecting your K9 wireless microphone to your phone right now. So before we do that, you need to connect your receiver. I believe you have this microphone right now as you're watching it, but if you don't have it yet, go and buy it. So we have receivers and we have transmitters. And while buying it, please make sure to ask question if the one you are buying, if you are buying for iPhone, specify it. If you are buying for Type C, specify, because like this one I got is double. I got double, the one that has double microphone. This is the second one. And also this one is for iPhone and the one plugged here is for Type C because I'm using the one for Type C. So if you are using, if always specify, though this one I got, like I said, is double here. It was specified here for Type C and for iPhone. So always make sure to ask questions because my friend got one and it wasn't double. The one she got, this one, it wasn't double like my own. It was just one, and that one happened to be an iPhone. It happened to be for meant for iPhone. Like this thing was for iPhone, so she couldn't use it. She had to send it back. So, but this one I got has iPhone and for Type C. The Type C is plugged in right now. So before you start this setting that I'm about to teach you right now, you plug that one in, okay? You plug it in and then you connect it via your phone setting. Your phone, like mine, once I plug it, it will now show me to on my OTG. So when you on the OTG, it doesn't stop there. At first, I thought that's all I need to do. This is connected, but then some phones doesn't just accept it that way. So this video is for those whose phone doesn't just accept the microphone to be connected through your phone setting, where you simply go to your phone setting and you on your OTG and then the microphone is connected. It didn't work for me, so this video is for those it didn't work for. Okay, so first of all, you connect that particular port or whatever you need to call it. Just connect it first. The second one to this, you connect it first before you start doing what I'm about showing you right now. Once you go to your Play Store, you write open camera. Yeah, open camera. Open camera. And then you search for it. Yes, this is mine. Mine is downloading. You install it and then you open it, and then you allow it, allow it to access your camera. Okay, so now we are in. Then you go to setting up here. You click on settings, then you look for video setting. Video setting. Okay, when you click on video setting, then you scroll down here to audio source. You click on audio source, and when you download it newly, this is how you're going to see it. It's going to be on camcorder, so you choose external mic. So when you choose external mic, then you go back. Your mic will be connected right now, so then you'll be able to shoot with this is my hand. I'm using my hand to cover the camera. So right now I am going to disconnect this microphone so that we can see the difference between when I'm using my normal voice and when I'm using the microphone. So I am going to turn this off right now here. I am going to turn it off right now and then talk. Let's see what will happen. Okay. So it is off right now. And I hope you notice the difference between when I'm not using it and when I am using it. Okay. This is why it's very important to get your own microphone. You need it. It is very, very important as a vlogger, as a content creator, as a YouTuber, as an interviewer. You need it. It's two. You can actually give one to your guest and keep one. We are back. There was not much difference between when I disconnected and when I am connected. Maybe it's because I didn't shift back, like I needed to shift very far away to check it. But trust me, there is always a difference. If you've been watching my videos, you will know that there is a difference between now and before. So this microphone, like I said before, it is very, very affordable. You can get it in Amazon, you can get it on eBay, even this Temu, you can get it there. I am very, very sure you can get it at ShopRite. I got mine from phone shop where they sell phones. You just walk in there and ask them of K9 wireless microphone, and you will get it. And before I forget, you cannot use this. You cannot use the port to connect to a different mic. You cannot do that. Okay? You cannot use this particular thing here in between them to connect to a different mic. You can only use it to connect to the two mics that it came with. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. This port right here in the middle, or this one, cannot be used for a different microphone. Okay, it can only be used with the microphone it came with. That was how it was designed. I tested it and I confirmed it before saying this. But if you doubt me, you can just check it out, test it yourself. If for any reason this port or the one for type C spoils or you lost it, it gets lost, just buy yourself a new one. There's no need trying to maybe connect it with a different one. There's no need to do that. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do so right now. Subscribe, like, and share, and give me a thumbs up so you always be notified when I make a new video. See you next time.